Dear students, in previous videos, we introduced cause of chemical bonding and types of chemical bonding. We know that two atoms combine together to achieve inert configuration, means to achieve 8 electrons in their valence shell, which is also known as octet rule. There are three types of chemical bonding. First one, ionic bond, second one, covalent bond, and third one, coordinate bond. During ionic bond formation, one of the atom donates its electron to another atom. Thus, former atom becomes positively charged and later one becomes negatively charged. Now these two oppositely charged ions combine together with Coulombic attraction. In covalent bond formation, two atoms share electrons. But now we will discuss how two atoms share electrons. We know that electrons in an atom occupying in orbitals. Atomic orbitals are of four types: s orbitals, p orbitals, d orbitals, f orbitals. All these orbitals are different in shapes and orientation. S orbital is spherical in shape. P orbitals are dumbbell. D orbitals are also dumbbell having double dumbbells. F orbitals are complicated and so their shape is still unknown. In this video, we will discuss one of the most important theory for covalent bond formation known as Valence Bond Theory. Valence Bond Theory. This theory explains how a covalent bond forms. We know that electrons occupying in orbitals. So, for sharing the electrons, there must be overlapping of atomic orbitals. It is a key point of valence bond theory that covalent bond forms due to overlapping of atomic orbitals. Now, overlapping of atomic orbitals takes place by two ways. Two atomic orbitals may overlap linearly and also may overlap laterally. First one, linear overlapping, second one, lateral or parallel overlapping. This depends upon the symmetry. The atoms which combining together must have symmetries in orbitals. If two atomic orbitals overlapping with linear symmetry, the covalent bond so formed is called sigma bond. But if two atomic orbitals overlaps with parallel symmetry, then covalent bond is called pi bond. Thus we see that covalent bonds are of two types. First one sigma bond, second one pi bond. If two atomic orbitals overlaps together with linear symmetry, then sigma bond forms, and if two atomic orbitals overlaps parallelly, then pi bond forms. Thus, key factor for covalent bond formation is symmetry. We have to see symmetries in atomic orbitals which are combining together. First point of valence bond theory is overlapping of atomic orbitals. Two atomic orbitals overlaps together forming covalent bond. If they overlap linearly, then sigma bond forms, and if they overlap parallelly, pi bond forms. Now, second point is that the two atomic orbitals which being overlap must have unpaired electrons. The two atomic orbitals which being overlap must have unpaired electrons with antiparallel spin. Antiparallel spin means if this is s orbital containing single electron, the two atomic orbitals which being overlap must have single electron. This is another s orbital containing single electron, but it must have antiparallel spin. Now these two orbitals may overlap like this. These are shared electrons, but due to overlapping. If two orbitals containing single electron but with same spin, then no bond formation will take place. If two atomic orbitals have paired electrons, they do not overlap. It is the important point of VBT, Valence Bond Theory. In short, is known as VBT, Valence Bond Theory.